Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Stacks are another organizational tool that Elements provides. When you assign images to a stack, only the top image is displayed in the organizer window, while all the other associated images are kept behind it, like a stack of playing cards. Stacks help organize images that are just different variations of the same photo. To create a stack, choose your images within the organizer, and then select Edit, Stack, Stack Selected Photos from the menu bar. Your stacked images will now appear in the organizer window with only the top image shown. You will see the stack icon in the upper right corner of the image. To manage a stack, you must first switch to the Details view by selecting View, Details from the menu bar. You can see the stack appear along with an arrow at the right edge of the stack. Clicking the arrow will open and collapse the stack within the organizer window. Alternatively, you can select Edit, Stack from the menu bar, and then select either the Expand Photos in Stack or Collapse Photos in Stack commands. When the stack is expanded, you can select the photo to appear as the top photo in the stack by clicking it to select it, and then selecting Edit, Stack, Set as Top Photo from the menu bar. To remove a photo from the stack, select the photo in the expanded stack to remove, and then select Edit, Stack from the menu bar and choose either the Remove Photo from Stack or Remove Top Photo command. To let Elements automatically suggest stacks from selected media items, first select any media items within the organizer within which you want to look for visually similar photos. Then select Edit, Stack, Automatically Suggest Photo Stacks from the menu bar. In the Visual Similarity Photo Search Results window that appears, you can see stacks suggested by Elements. To stack the suggested photos, click the Stack button that appears at the right end of a stack suggestion. If you change your mind, you can then click the adjacent Unstack button to separate the stacked photos. When finished, click the Done button at the bottom of the window. To unstack a stack, select the stack, and then select Edit, Stack, Unstack Photos from the menu bar. To delete all photos other than the top photo from the catalog and/or hard disk, select Edit, Stack, Flatten Stack from the menu bar. In the confirmation warning box that appears, click the OK button to delete all photos except the top photo from the catalog. Checking the Also Delete Photos from the Hard Disk checkbox before clicking the OK button also deletes the photos from your hard drive if desired.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.